In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Virus Total on your Fire device. So why would you want it, and why is it important that you install it? So basically what Virus Total is, it's an application that sits on your device and they can scan all of your applications just to make sure there's no malware in them. Because if you have malware in your apps, you never know what it's doing, folks. Whether it's what's in what you're doing on your device. And in the worst case scenario, that malware could get into your device and you could get hacked, for example. So to make sure there's no viruses on your Firestick, I highly recommend installing this application and making sure just in case. Okay guys, let's get started. So I'm doing this guide on my second generation Fire TV Cube, but this could be any other Fire TV device. So from your home screen, you're just gonna go to your settings, which is that gear icon over on the right. Go down to my Fire TV. You should see developer options. If it's the first time doing this, you will not. So what you do is tap up to About, and where it says your device name, you're just gonna tap that 7 times till it says no need, you're already a developer. Then push back, you'll see developer options. You want to make sure that ADB debugging is on, as well the install unknown apps for downloader. So make sure download is enabled for that. And if you haven't got downloader already, you can get it from the Amazon App Store. Now you need to open up downloader. Once in downloader, you need to tap up to the URL in search term bar, and we're gonna type in this 5-digit code, folks. So just like this, 826476. Again, that's 826476. Pause it if you need to type it in. Once you've done that, you can press the play button and it will redirect you to my APK store. Here we are. So if we scroll down, wind the way down because it's the last application actually. You'll see Virus Total down here. So once you see Virus Total, move your cursor over it, click on it, and that will start the download process. So once you're seeing this screen, just tap down to install just there, and that will install Virus Total on your Fire device. Once it's installed, you can click on done. Once you've done that, you'll be back here, so you can delete the APK file because there's no need for it anymore. So tap delete and then tap delete again. This won't delete the app. It's just the initial install file, folks. So what we need to do now is install mouse toggle. Now if you have one of the new 4K Fire TV sticks. I will do a separate video on how to get the mouse toggle working on those devices, because mouse toggle for Fire TV doesn't work on those newer devices. But if you have an older device like a Fire TV Stick 4K, 4K Max first generation, or a Fire TV Cube second generation, you can follow this guide. So find the mouse toggle section of my app store. Here we are, and the one we want is mouse toggle for Fire devices. So move your mouse over that, click on that, and now we'll start the download process for mouse toggle. Once you've seen the screen, tap down to install, and now we'll install mouse toggle on your device. Click on done. Then you want to delete the APK file, so push to the right to delete, click on delete, then click on delete again. Then push the home button, then go into your applications, which is the 3 squares in the plus sign. Go down to my apps, and then you'll see the 2 applications we've installed. We're gonna open up mouse toggle first. You should see this USB debugger box, so if you do, make sure there's a ticket always and open this computer, then click OK, and the mouse toggle should now work, folks. So as you can see, if I double tap the play pause button, as you can see, for me, it's not working. So what you have to do, if the mouse toggle doesn't work for you, is turn off these 2 options, and then turn them back on again after about 5 seconds, and then try it again. Yeah, double tap the play button, and as you can see, the mouse toggle's now working. So once you've got the mouse toggle working, you can press home and find Virus Total, then open it up, and then click on scan, and this is simple as that, folks. It's now scanning for any viruses you may have on your device. So let's give that a second. As you can see, I've not got a knot on this device, but as you can see, these are all saved because these have got tick marks on them. Now if you see a red X next to an application, that means that application has viruses in it and needs to be uninstalled on your device, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. But if you accidentally click on an application, let's do downloader for example, you see all the, if you go up to antivirus reports, you'll see all the antiviruses is came up with, and all of the antiviruses say its name, so that means that this is a safe app to use. But if you haven't got a safe app and it came up with a bunch of viruses, you definitely need to uninstall it. The way you do that is if you push the home button and then go and on to your settings. Go down to applications. Go down to manage installed applications. In here, find the app that's full of viruses. We'll do SysWatch, for example. Click on that, then click on uninstall, then to confirm, click confirm, and that uninstalls the app from your device, and hopefully that'll get rid of the malware. If not, what you can do if you're really not concerned about malware on your device, you can push back, go down to My Fire TV, and then go down to Reset to Factory Defaults. Now, if you're doing this will reset your device, and basically you'll have to set up your device as if it was a brand new device, folks. So if you reset it, you will lose all your applications. But like I said, if you're really concerned about malware and viruses, that is the best thing to do on your device. But hopefully just getting rid of that application will make a difference, folks. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, press the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Also share the video as well. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.